Dear friends, if you are considering hair transplant surgery, you have many questions in your mind. In this video, I will answer 10 of the most important questions which are bothering you. I am Dr. B.K. Garg. I am plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in New Delhi and Gurugram area for last 15 years. Over the years, I had the privilege to treat more than 10,000 patients with various skin, hair, and cosmetic issues. Dear friends, hair loss can be a very painful experience for both men and women. We all know that beyond a stage, it becomes difficult to manage hair loss with medicines at home, and hair transplant is the only choice available to us. But before you start considering hair transplant as a treatment choice, all of you get very confused because there is so much information overflow on internet and at other places. With so many clinics around and so many techniques and methods being marketed, it becomes very difficult for you to make a right choice. In this video, I would like to answer most of the questions which are bothering you regarding hair transplant. I will address these questions one by one. If you are around 21 years of age and you have established hair loss, or there is a loss of hairline, or you have hair thinning which is so advanced that skin can be easily seen through your hair, then you are right candidate for hair transplant. Age itself is not a barrier to hair transplant surgery. You can be 21 years of age or you can be 75. If you are in good health and otherwise fit to undergo this procedure, you are suitable candidate for hair transplant surgery. We can perform hair transplant surgery even in the beginning when the hair loss has just started and your hairline has just been lost. There's no need or there's no point waiting for many years and living with lost hair which keeps on damaging you emotionally and psychologically. So it makes no sense, please understand, makes no sense to keep waiting for entire hair to be lost. You can choose hair transplant as an option even when you have just lost your hairline or your thinning has become significant enough for skin to be seen through. Health conditions like diabetes and hypertension are not contraindication or not a problem for hair transplant surgery as long as you are on medication and these both conditions are well controlled. Apart from that, some minor skin infections like dandruff or other minor skin problems are also not a contraindication or a problem for hair transplant surgery. Many times we give you some medicines which makes your skin clear and we can go ahead with hair transplant surgery even when you have these minor skin issues. Hair transplant is not a painful procedure. We perform this procedure under local anesthesia. Further, to give you local anesthesia, we use vibratory anesthesia technique. In this technique, injections of anesthesia are virtually painless. Entire procedure you'll be completely comfortable and it will be completely pain-free experience. Post procedure, we put you on medicines for pain and swelling. These medicines are to be taken for 6 to 7 days. You are able to walk around and do your routine activities on the same day itself. 2 days post procedure, you should be able to go back to work by covering your head and being on medicines. Hair transplant surgery usually takes around 4 to 8 hours to perform. Exact time and duration of the procedure will depend upon extent and pattern of baldness and accordingly number of grafts to be transplanted. Most of the times we are able to cover even large areas by doing a single session which can last up to 8 hours. We at Iconic Clinic are expert in performing mega sessions and we have capability to cover large areas in single session which can include up to 3 to 5,000 grafts. If area of baldness is very large, it may need more than one session which can be performed 3 months later. Hair transplants always look natural. Hair transplant makes use of your own hair grafts which are similar in texture and thickness. Apart from that, we have great experience in designing hairlines which are dense and wherein each graft is placed aesthetically. With our long experience, we are able to provide results which are not just aesthetically pleasing but extremely natural to look at. At Iconic Clinic, we believe in honest pricing. Our hair transplant packages are designed in such a way that most of the people are able to afford it. Most of hair transplant surgeries at our center cost between 35,000 to 75,000 for one session. Cost will depend upon extent and pattern of baldness and number of grafts to be transplanted. For implantation of grafts, we use customized blades which heal with almost negligible scarring, and there is no visible marks or scars which you can notice later. Since entire procedure is performed without using any blades or stitches, it may be almost impossible to notice any marks or residual scars later after the procedure. During hair transplant procedure, we make use of donor hair, which are harvested from areas which are resistant to baldness. Since these hair have been harvested from area which is not liable to be lost over the years, they continue to retain their character and their life in new area where they are implanted. Hence, results of hair transplant are long-lasting in nature. After doing hair transplant surgery, newly implanted hair, they start shedding by 2 weeks' time. By 4 to 6 weeks, this shedding is complete. There's nothing to be worried about this shedding because this is a natural process of hair growth. By end of 2 months and around 3 months post surgery, you start seeing new growth. It takes another 3 to 6 months for significant growth to be seen. Whatever you see by 12 months is generally the final outcome for hair transplant procedure. Transplanted hair do not need any maintenance as such. But it's important to understand that your own hair or pre-existing hair in that area will need some support in way of some treatment. Otherwise, their life gets less and you may lose them over the years. With so many choices available to undergo hair transplant surgery, with so many clinics around and everyone claiming to be expert in hair transplant surgery, it becomes very difficult for you to make a right choice. First and foremost is safety during the procedure. Plastic surgeons are only surgeons who are fully trained to perform all kinds of cosmetic surgery procedures. Extensive background in surgical cosmetology of plastic surgeon allows them to achieve natural and great results while being completely safe. Once you decide to undergo hair transplant surgery, choose a clinic which is led by a senior plastic surgeon. Just being plastic surgeon may not be enough to ensure great results. Next important thing to consider is whether that particular plastic surgeon has a dedicated team, because only dedicated team can ensure great results day in and day out. We at Iconic Clinic have been performing these procedures for last 15 years. Over the years, we have performed more than 7,000 procedures. We have a team which is completely dedicated to perform hair transplant procedures, and we have been able to provide thousands of great results for patients who have chosen us from all over India and abroad. So when you choose us for your hair transplant surgery, you are ensured not just of results which are great to look at, but in completely safe environment. Thanks for watching, and I hope that I was able to answer most of your questions regarding hair transplant. If you still have more questions or queries regarding hair transplant, please feel free to get in touch with us on our Facebook or Instagram pages. You can also leave your questions in comments below, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.